Hi, this is Dr. Doherty at Willowbrook Veterinary Hospital, and I'm here to talk to you about your puppy's care. My assistant Mia will be asking you some questions, so hopefully we can get you some more information on how best to care for your new friend.
Dr. Doherty, how will proper puppy care impact the life of my dog?
Setting a good foundation with proper puppy care will ensure lifelong happiness between you and your pet.
How soon should I bring my puppy in to see a veterinarian for their first exam?
It's important to make sure that we start early in a puppy's life. They should have their first veterinary visit by the time they reach 8 weeks of age.
What will my vet be looking for when first examining my puppy?
On the first exam, we're looking for any congenital defects that could have formed during puppy development. We're making sure the teeth have come in well, that there's no umbilical hernias, that there are no signs of external parasites, and the eyes and ears look nice and clean and clear.
Dr. Doherty, what should I expect from my puppy's first veterinary visit?
On your puppy's first veterinary visit, we will do a thorough physical exam, checking for any abnormalities, get a current weight, and talk about all of the preventive care that your puppy needs to thrive. That includes intestinal parasite testing, deworming, starting them on parasite prevention, and starting their first round of vaccines.
What should I ask my veterinarian at my puppy's first appointment?
Any questions you can think of, including what's best to feed your puppy, what to expect over the next several months as your puppy continues to grow, questions about potty training, crate training, and behavior questions.
What are the most common health problems in puppies?
The most common problems that we see are intestinal parasites, vomiting, diarrhea, GI parasites and viruses, and malnutrition.
What are some signs and symptoms of illnesses in your puppy?
Signs of illnesses in puppies can range from vomiting, diarrhea, not wanting to eat, going to the bathroom too often, and being super lethargic.
What are some signs of a thriving and healthy puppy?
Thriving, healthy puppies play strong and sleep strong. So they should go through normal stages throughout the day of playing really hard and sleeping really hard, but be super energetic when they first get up.
When should I start training my puppy?
Training with your puppy can start as soon as you bring it home.
Dr. Doherty, what are some vaccinations that my puppy may need?
Vaccinations in puppies typically come in stages based on the age of your puppy. At 8 weeks of age on their first visit, they typically get their Bordetella vaccine and their distemper parvovirus combination vaccine.
What are the core vaccines?
Core vaccines in puppies are Bordetella, distemper parvo, leptospirosis, and rabies.
What are the non-core vaccines and why might my puppy need them?
Non-core vaccines depend on lifestyle. If you're an avid hiker in the Pacific Northwest, I would definitely recommend getting a Lyme vaccine for your puppy to protect from tick-borne diseases. If you are around other dogs quite often, go to boarding, grooming, dog parks, or daycare, definitely recommending the canine influenza vaccine for your puppy.
How often does my puppy need to go to the veterinarian for puppy vaccinations?
It's really important to make sure that we see your puppy often during the growth phase. We recommend coming in every 3 weeks to make sure vaccine boosters stay on track and that your puppy is growing according to its breed standard.
Are there any risks associated with vaccinations?
Vaccines definitely can carry a risk, but they are very safe. Science has advanced dramatically, and we very rarely see vaccine reactions. Those can include facial swelling, hives, vomiting, diarrhea, or lethargy, and they are treated immediately when they're seen.
Does my puppy need vaccinations even if I keep them inside?
Absolutely, definitely recommend vaccines on all puppies, whether or not they're inside or outside. The reason is all of these viruses can be in the environment, including distemper virus and parvovirus, which can thrive in the soil for long periods of time. In addition, rabies vaccine is required by law and can be transmitted by animals coming into your house and is deadly to people as well.
What if I miss one of my puppy's vaccinations?
No worries, we can definitely get your puppy caught up. Just come in and give us a call as soon as you've noticed you're overdue.
When should I get my puppy spayed or neutered?
As a general rule, we recommend spaying or neutering around 6 months of age. However, this depends on the breed of your puppy and what your long-term goals are for your new family member. Please have a more in-depth conversation with your veterinarian at your first visit. If you have any questions regarding your puppy's care, please give us a call.